friends, welcome to the mathematics class of numerical analysis. I am Thengade Arun from B.Sc third year's Other Science College in Gul. Today's our topic is finding a function and definitions of identity shift and inverse operator. First of all, we will find a function by the help of some solving questions, and after all we will learn definitions of some operators like identity shift and inverse operators. I am going to be take two questions, for one for solving here and second one for homework. We are going to be take our first question. Our first question is find the function whose first difference is 9x square plus 11x plus 5. Here solution of our first question is given data from the question. Given is delta of f of x square plus 11x plus. Our first step is taking the equation in factorial notation. We are going to set as factorial notation, like we will write 9x raised 2 plus bx raised 1 plus c. Then delta f of x is equals to 9x raised x minus 1 plus bx plus c. Our next step is 9x into x minus 1 parenthesis close plus bx plus c. Now we are going to be evaluate the equations delta f of x and 9x square plus 11x plus 5 for finding values of a, b and c by the putting of values of x. Here we are going to be value of x, put x is equals to 0 in the given equations. Here we have solved the equation and we get c is equals to 5. Here value of c is 5. After finding a, put x is equal to 1 for finding b, value of b. 9 plus 11 plus 5 is equals to b plus 5. Then 25 is equals to b plus 5. It gives b is equal to 25 minus 5, and the value of b is equals to 20. Let's put the value of b and c in our first difference. Now delta f of x is equal to 9x raised to plus 20x raised 1 plus 5x raised 0. Then next one, delta f of x is equals to 3 into 3 into x raised 2 plus 10 into 2 into x raised 1 plus 5 into 1 into x raised 0. Then f of x is equals to 3 into x raised 3 plus 10 into x raised 2 plus 5x raised 1 plus k. Then f of x is equals to 3x into x minus 1 parenthesis close into x minus 2 parenthesis close plus 10x into x minus 1 parenthesis close plus 5x plus k. Then f of x is equals to 3 in square bracket x cube minus 2x minus x square plus 2x. Here square bracket is closed plus 10x square minus 10x plus 5x plus k. Then after all, f of x is equals to 3x cube minus 3x square plus 10x square minus 5x plus k. Here we get the answer. The answer is f of x is equals to 3x cube plus 7x square minus 5x plus k. This is our answer of this is function whose first difference is 9x square plus 11x plus 5. Here our first question is solved. Here I am going to take a question for homework. Note down. Question number 2. Represent the function f of x given by f of x is equals to 2x raised to 4 minus 12x cube plus 24x square minus 30x plus 9 and successive differences in factorial notation. Here we are going to be our next topic, definitions of some operators. Here first definition of identity operators. An operator which such that the function on which operators leaves the function altered is called identity operators. Second definition of operators is shift operator. An operator E is called a displacement operator, defined by the equation E into f of A is equals to f of A plus h. The operator E is also called as the shift operator. Here shift and displacement operator is same. Here last definition of operators of today's session is inverse operator. Inverse operator E inverse is defined by E inverse f of A is equals to f of A plus h. Friends, today we have learned how to finding a function by the help of solving some questions, and we have learned some definitions of operators. Thank you friends, please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.